Do you know how bicycles are made? The company behind manufacturing is Giant Bicycles, Taiwan. The manufacturing of cycle starts with designing and prototyping. First, the raw carbon threads woven into sheets. The raw carbon threads are woven with the custom blended resin. Then the sheets are cut according to parts. Now the carbon fiber pieces are attached on the frame. These pieces form the frame together. Then the frame is inserted into mold. After that, mold is inserted into machine. The high temperature and pressure applied on the carbon fiber, and this makes it very strong. Then the parts are removed from the mold and hand sanded. Now cycle is hand painted. After that, the frame is inspected. Then the stickers are attached to the cycle. Different parts of the cycle are assembled. Finally, cycle is ready and packed to ship worldwide.